In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple mobile app using Bubble.io. Bubble is a powerful yet approachable tool for building apps without needing to dive into complex coding. We're going to walk through the start to finish process, helping you get your app up and running smoothly. Let's dive into it. First, navigate to the Bubble homepage. You can do this by typing in Bubble.io in your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface designed to simplify app creation, even if you're new to the world of app development. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account or log in if you have one. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Start with a mobile app. This option is perfect for laying the groundwork for your app. Bubble helps you get set up with the fundamental tools that are ideal for mobile app development, ensuring that your app not only looks great, but also functions efficiently. Clicking this option brings you to the next step of our journey. After selecting Start with a mobile app, you'll be prompted to name your project. Choosing a descriptive name will help you stay organized, especially as you refine and expand your app. Type your desired name into the provided field. Remember, something concise and relevant will be helpful not only for your memory, but also for any team members or collaborators who might join later. With your project name set, the next step is to click on Get Started. This is where you'll begin defining the core functionalities of your app. Opening the project creation screen means you're ready to dive deeper into tailoring your app to meet your goals. Bubble's intuitive drag and drop interface is here to assist, making design tweaks and adding features straightforward and effortless. Finally, on the development screen, select Start with Basic Features. This option offers a predefined setup that includes essential features to get your app off the ground quickly. These basic setups offer an excellent foundation, giving you room to customize and add more sophisticated elements as needed. With basic features enabled, explore how Bubble lets you integrate various functionalities without needing to code. Adjusting your app design, implementing workflows, and testing your app's performance is all possible through this approachable visual platform. And there you have it, a seamless start to creating your very own mobile app using Bubble.io. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for your app project, unlocking endless possibilities for customization and development. Bubble makes it easier than ever to turn your ideas into reality, allowing you to focus on creativity and functionality without worrying about the technical complexity. Thanks for watching, and happy app building.